ambition, your Flipkart Tech Pro. Today, let's have a look at Moto G10 Power, the most recent budget smartphone launched by Moto. Let's see what the new phone has to offer. Feel the freedom of going up to 3 days on a single charge with an industry-leading 6000 mAh battery and a 20-watt Type-C USB charger to fuel up fast. Stream music for 190 plus hours, video for 23 plus hours, or browse for 20 plus hours. The battery capacity of Moto G10 Power is as big as any phone in this price range. Moto G10 Power comes with a Snapdragon 460 processor, which offers quick response and fast rendering, which will help you with an improved gaming performance. Also, the Snapdragon processor will ensure that your phone is free from lag or performance issues, which is common in budget phones. No matter the angle or light, the 48 megapixel camera system will help you take beautiful pictures at all times. The quad pixel technology and the night vision mode help make all the pictures you take look vivid, clear and sharp. You can see them yourselves in the images. Additionally, a 118-degree ultra-wide angle lens lets you capture what your eyes see, fitting 4x more in the frame compared to a standard 78-degree lens. The dedicated macro vision camera brings you 4x closer, so you see the tiny details you would be missing using a standard lens. Get super close with nature shots or miniature details to capture it all. So basically, turn your everyday photos into a professional looking portrait. Apart from offering one of the biggest batteries of the segment, a very reliable Snapdragon processor and a 48 megapixel quad camera, this phone also comes with a 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display, which will ensure that your viewing experience is not compromised. This phone also comes with Android 11 out of the box, which means that your phone will have the latest version of Android operating system. What's more, here's a tip for your next smartphone purchase on Flipkart. Make sure that you check out Flipkart offerings like product exchange and no-cost EMI to make your purchase more affordable. Also check out Complete Mobile Protection to secure your phone from any physical or software damages. So friends, if you're looking for a smartphone with an all-rounder performance at an affordable price point, then you should definitely consider Moto G10 Power.